Run through a demo with all the layers of Corda in action. The original message of Corda and value hasn't changed. You can still build an application with all the layers to transfer value like real-world assets through some set of enforceable rules. With the use of smart contracts, you can define your business logic which is applied consistently with all participants, allowing you to automate updates and evolve states. Let's see what happens when I try to send a probe to Pluto. Bearing in mind we've set smart contract functionality to say we can only send probes to planets only.
In this solar system network of planetary nodes, we have our original planets, which were Earth and Mars, and now we have a new participant, which is Pluto. This UI not only demonstrates communication between planets, but also adds business logic to how we communicate. So using smart contracts functionality, we are going to state whether we want to communicate with planetary only nodes. So we'll begin with Earth. So as before, here's my member information displayed. We are able to view messages sent previously, and we are now just going to send a probe. So before we'd send to Mars, and now we have Pluto. So I'm going to send one to Mars. I'm just going to say, hi, this is Earth. And we can state whether we want to talk to planets only or not. So Earth wants to only talk to planets. So we're going to check this box and send that flow. Start that flow here. So it's running. And when that's completed, we should get that status completed. And that was sent to Mars successfully because Mars was a planet. So if we do the same to Pluto, hi Pluto, we'll say ... and do that check mark again. So again, planetary only, we're going to send that message, and that flow failed because planetary probes must only visit planets. We applied that smart contract, therefore that message was not sent to Pluto. So if we log out and go to Mars, Mars is the friendly planet, so we're going to send a message to Pluto. Mars wants to say, hi, this is Mars, welcome. And we're not going to check this mark. We want to talk to anybody. And when we start that flow, that message is going to send to Pluto. So that was completed. That message was sent. So again, we're going to view these messages. So if we go into Pluto, if we see these messages, we should only see the ones sent from Mars and not from Earth. So this was the latest message. This is Mars, welcome. So that's us demonstrating smart contracts where you can apply business logic to your application.